Hi, this is Tay Rosé. Now, before we get started with the actual video, I went in and I realized that I was not saying the name correctly. So I apologize ahead of time if I was saying Navichic. The technical name is Navichic. Alright, all of the information is in the description box below. My code is still the same for Navichic. And the title of this video does match what I am saying. So I just want to put a disclaimer out there that I just realized that parts 2 and 3 will definitely be better than this first video. So besides that, I hope you enjoy. Welcome to the channel. It is Tay Rosé. Now, if you see me looking a little like confused, like I don't know what's going on, the last time I picked up this camera was in July. In this video, we're going to be talking about something else that is amazing. I know you probably have already seen the thumbnail and you have already seen the title, okay? And I'm just going to give you a backstory, but if you want to know more about this video, then please be sure to keep watching. Now, I remember I was doing jewelry hauls around springtime, and one of the jewelry hauls is now at over 200 views, which I want to thank y'all for viewing those videos and enjoying those videos. So I decided to make a part 2 of the same jewelry haul, and those videos became so popular to the point where Navichic, who I'm talking about in today's video, Navichic, they contacted me. They said, hey, we wanted to work with you and we would like for you to try our jewelry. So I said, yes, I'm more than happy to try your jewelry. So this is not going to be a 1-part, a 2-part, but this is going to be a 3-part series of jewelry featuring Navichic. So now I'm just going to tell you from now, this place, all their jewelry is very affordable. I feel like anyone can purchase the jewelry and it'll be guilt-free. You can enjoy it with ease. And there are a variety of pieces of jewelry there too. I mean, you have your gold, you have your silver, you have your fashion jewelry, you have your everyday jewelry, which I'll tell you from now that for all 3 parts of the Navichic videos that I will be creating, it is stainless steel. They have plenty of stainless steel jewelry on there as well. So I am more than happy to share that with you guys as well. And then I'll say the service is amazing. I was able to talk with the people for Navichic as well. And they're very kind. Like, you will get your products in an instant, okay? So I have my packages in here, because I'm just going to be pulling out 4 pieces of jewelry for today. And if for any reason you are interested in any of the pieces of jewelry that I pulled out in today's video, this is my code. It's going to be on the screen, NVRose, and you'll get 10% off your order. Alright, but let me stop chatting. Let me get started. So the first piece of jewelry that I'm going to pull out of this bag is... Oh, and I also want to show y'all too how they package their jewelry. So it comes in this right here, and I don't want to show y'all it just yet, but this is a transparent part, and then it comes in here. But it is nice. Okay. But the first piece of jewelry I'm going to share with y'all, I need to bring this a little closer. I have the information on my phone, but the first thing I'm going to show with y'all is this golden stainless steel butterfly bow stud earrings. This is for the price of $227, but it's on discount now for $1.62. They do have lots of sales on Navichic as well, so do be sure to be on the website every day, 1 and 2. I have all the information in the description box below. But I have these bow earrings because, you know, the coquette vibes is still going strong. Now, I'm going to have to fix the post because, you know, with shipping and all of that, they tend to get flat and whatnot. But let me straighten these posts up really quick. I'm just going to do it carefully because I do not want to damage these earrings because these earrings are so cute. When I first saw them, I was like, yes, Tay, you need this in your jewelry collection. Okay, so this is the one bow. I'm gonna see if I can fix the other post on the bow as well. I'm gonna show you the two earrings, and they feel really good, and they look like 18 karat gold, which I think this is. I think these are plated with like 18 karat or 14 karat gold, so these will last you a long time. Here's a tip: like when you're shopping for jewelry, anywhere really, go for stainless steel. And I can say from now that based on how these earrings look from Navichic, these are going to serve me for quite a while, which is not a bad thing. But these are the bow earrings. They are also very cute, and they're pretty small too. So I feel like this is definitely appropriate for work, and then if you have a little one that loves jewelry, this would be good for her as well. I'm just going to take out these earrings, and I'm going to try it in one ear because that is what I do. Okay, I'm just going to put my hair behind my ears, and I'm just feeling that right now. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to do that for the rest of the video, but I'm going to come up to you so you can see how it is looking. So see how appropriate, this is an appropriate size. It's not too big, but then it also is not dinky small. It's the right size, so that way you can still look cute. And if you wear your hair down like myself, you can still do it like this, and then you still see a little something something with the earrings. Yes, yes, yes. You feel me? You feel me? Yes, you're welcome. But yeah, I do love this, and this is perfect for all season, like I said before. And listen. It does not sound plasticky at all. So this is definitely going to serve me for some time. Like I love it. Like I literally received the packaging yesterday. Yesterday was September 14th, and today is September 15th. The second product I will be showing you is, let's see, more earrings. These earrings are fire though, so I feel like all of you will like it. These are the geometric stainless steel earrings. They're originally $2.27, but they dropped down to $1.82. And the posts are looking good. I don't have to fix them. Like, tell me that is not cool. Like, that is so fire to me. That is so cool. And if you know from my very first jewelry haul that I did, I like stuff that look like this. That's very geometric, very unique. And let's do this sound check. Don't sound cheap at all. Like, it's like actual metal, because I've had earrings from other places where you can hear the plastic. This is straight metal. Oh my gosh, you can see it from a distance. Like, this is nice. Imagine this with a slick back. Bet. Let me zoom, let me come up to y'all so you can see what it's like. Like, that is really nice. Like, nah, no, this is nice. Like, this is like Art Deco meets modern times. Like, this is perfect for the fall season, and I'm happy that this package came just in time, because oh, snatching things cheap. Like, I love these earrings. I love these earrings. All the pieces I show for today will be in the description box below. We want to grab jewelry number 3, our third piece of jewelry. Okay, who would have thought? So I think this is a set. Okay, so this is a set that I got from Navichic, or that I handpicked. I don't know which one this is because there's a couple of different ones that I received. I bought a few I received a few necklaces from Navichic. I handpicked them. Let's see, this, I think it is the Elegant Stainless Steel Lock Collar Necklace and Earring Set. This is for $4.13, so it is a little pricier than their stuff, but it still is cheap. So it's not that pricey, honestly. But it dropped down to $3.30. So this is a necklace and earring set. Yeah, you can tell this is stainless steel because it is shiny. And I can tell that it's not going to change either. Like I said before, get you some stainless steel from Navichic. Like, it is high quality by far. Okay, I'm just gonna do like this so you can see. But this is the earring, and then this is the necklace. I love it. Let me see. So it's like the Roman numeral, and then it has like the little diamond. If you know me, you know that I like all things blingy. I'm a bling girl by heart. I have lots of bling jewelry, but so I have two different types of bling jewelry. I have bling jewelry that's like this, where it's simple, like little heart, but then I have my Cuban links and my tennis necklaces, you know. Okay, hopefully this lies flat. This one isn't lying flat by far, but that is okay. Okay, let me come up to y'all so you can see. This is the necklace. So it comes right up to here. So this is perfect for layering. So I can layer other pieces of jewelry or other necklaces with this as well, and it'll still look elegant because this is like a classy, timeless type necklace. So I could wear this by itself and I'll be good to go. But yeah, I mean this, but I do like this a lot, and I'm happy that it came with the earrings. So if I don't feel like wearing any other pieces of jewelry, I can also do the earrings with it as well. So I feel like I want to buy like a separate jewelry box for like any set. Like so far nothing has tarnished or looks like it's going to tarnish. Okay, this is nice. See, like that is nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I have one more piece of jewelry to show y'all. Let's see what we get. More earrings. I think I picked out mostly earrings. I think. Okay. So these are like the 4-leaf clover earrings, which if you know, you know. I'm not gonna say too much, but if you know, you know. Alright. I think that these earrings are extremely appropriate for work, because if you're someone that wants to wear hoop earrings, it's like, yeah, I want to wear hoop earrings, but then like some hoop earrings are too big. And I completely understand, because it's too much. But let me show you the earrings. Yeah, so this is it. I mean, I got mine in the black, but they also have the white in here as well. And of course it is 14 karat gold. So this is called the Elegant Stainless Steel Acrylic Flower Earrings. These are for $2.15, but again, got discounted for $1.72. Yeah, I got discounted for $1.72, but they do have two. They have two different kinds in there, because I remember I was looking at the white one, but then I was like, it kind of looks like diamonds, and I have a lot of diamond like jewelry, so I want to go with the black because it kind of just reminds me of Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I mean, this one is not like my other earring, the elegant geometric earring. I noticed the words behind it, like this is elegant. So if you really want to spice up your jewelry collection and you want that some elegant pieces, but you don't want them to change, this is the place. But let me zoom in, come up to y'all so you can see the earrings. Like, see, look, it's like right to my jawline right here. So it definitely is decent for work, or if you are someone that again don't like the big hoop earrings, but you want like a little something like a little dangly, then this is good too. And it's very light, I can say that. See, these are how both the earrings look. These are the first 4 pieces of jewelry that I got. I mean, I pulled out for today 3 earrings, including this one that I'm wearing, and I also showed you a necklace earring set. All right, again, if you love the jewelry thus far, you can head over to Navichic.com, which everything will be in the description box below. Use my code NVRose for that 10% off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me, and so you can see part 2 of the Navichic jewelry haul. If you have subscribed already, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Make sure that you check out the previous videos that are coming up next. That includes a previous episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé. Thank you to Navichic for today's video. Again, there will be a part 2 coming your way. Do comment below which earrings were your favorite. And I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next videos that are coming up next. Bye!